Hi students, good afternoon everybody. So from the last two videos we are seeing our third supplementary lesson, the Hour of Truth. So in this video we are going to see the last part of the supplementary, the Hour of Truth. So let us have a short sum up of what we have seen in the last two videos. So what we have seen in the last video, Balvin is has worked in a bank. So Gresham is offering a bribe to Balvin, but as Balvin is an honest person, he is refusing the bribe offered by Gresham. Okay, but his family members, after hearing the bribe amount as $1,000, that is $10,000, they were tempted by the bribe money and they were asking Balvin to accept the money and to say and to give proof in favor of Gresham in the court, that is during the next day. So Balvin is a bit shocked by his family members' reaction as they were speaking, that is as they were asking him to, that is they were not asking directly, so their speech, their conversation shows that they were asking Balvin to accept the bribe money. Okay, and this is what we have seen in the last class. Now let us continue from what we have completed in the last video. So this is what we have seen in the last video. So what is that? John is asking and they are going to punish him for it. Eve is telling, would it be such an awful thing, father, if you let him off? So if you are not speaking in favor of Gresham in the bank, will it not be an awful thing? Balvin is smiling and telling, I wish I could have, but I am not the judge. But I am not the judge to decide everything. Eve, no, but you are the only witness against him. But Eve is telling, you are the only witness against Gresham. Balvin is shockingly telling, Eve, what you are telling. Okay, so what is given for understanding? John says that as he is named after Balvin's friend Gresham, he will be put to shame for bearing the name of a criminal. So what John is telling is, as he is named after Gresham, that is Gresham, John Gresham, the Gresham name eppadi vachanga appadina, it is as Balvin and Gresham were friends. Okay, as they were thick friends, அதனால தான் அவனுக்கும் ஜான்க்கும் ஜான் கிரஷாம்னு நேம் வச்சாங்க. ஸோ அவனோட நேமில் இருக்க ஒருத்தருக்கு பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கிடைச்சதுன்னா, will it not be a shame for me? Who is asking? John is telling. Okay, so this is what we have seen in last class. Now let us continue. John, she's right, governor. So governorங்கிறது இங்கே யாரை மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறது? John will always mention his father as governor. Balvin, you too, John. Okay, so are you two speaking like Eve? John, it's going to be a nasty mess if they put John Gresham in jail with your own son named after him. It's going to be pleasant for me. John Gresham Balvin. Okay, so what John is telling, it is going to be a nasty mess if they put John Gresham in the jail. So definitely Gresham jail la putanga appadina, definitely it will be a nasty thing with your own son named after him, because ungaloda own son, that is எனக்கும் நீங்கள் ஜான் கிரஷாம்னு பேர் வச்சுருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ப்ளசன்ட் ஃபார் மீ. ஸோ அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா? ஹூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங்? ஜான் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் டு ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர். Martha, so after a pause, that is after a gap, Martha is telling, Robert, I am not sure I understood what you said before. What did Mr. Gresham want you to do for him? Okay, so Martha is telling, Robert, I am not sure I understood what you said before. Okay, so நீங்கள் இவ்வளோ நேரம் என்ன பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கீங்கிறது எனக்கு நல்லா புரிஞ்சுதான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. What did Mr. Gresham want you to do for him? So கிரஷாம்காக நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு கிரஷாம் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங், என்ன சொல்கிறது, கிரஷாம் வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்குறாரு. ஓகே, Balvin is telling, get him off tomorrow. So what Gresham is expecting from me is, ஓகே, ஸோ அவரே நாளைக்கு நான் போய் சொல்லி என்ன பண்ணணும், பனிஷ்மெண்ட்லேருந்து ஐ வாண்ட் டு கெட் ஹிம் ஆஃப். தட் இஸ் வாட் கிரஷாம் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங் ஃப்ரம் மீ. Martha, you could do that. So உங்களால் அது செய்ய முடியுமா? Can you do that? Okay, you could do that. Balwin is telling yes. Martha is asking how can you do that? Balwin is telling by answering I don't remember. Okay, so when they are asking me some dangerous questions in the court tomorrow, I have to say I don't remember. So by doing this I can get him off from the punishment. Martha is asking how and you do remember. ஓ அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு அதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? எஸ் நியர்லி எவ்ரி திங். எஸ் ஐ கேன் ரிமெம்பர் எவ்ரி திங். ஸோ ஜான் இஸ் டெல்லிங் நோ மேட்டர் வாட் தே ஆஸ்க் யூ. அவங்க உங்ககிட்ட என்ன கேட்டாலும் இட் இஸ் நாட் அ மேட்டர். Balwin is telling I can always refresh my memory. You see I have notes. So what Balwin is telling is I can always refresh my memory. So என்னோட மெமரியை என்னால் ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணிக்க முடியும். See I am having notes. John is telling but without those notes you would not remember. Okay, அந்த notes இல்லைனா you could not remember. What do you mean John? So என்ன சொல்கிற ஜான்? ஓகே ஸோ நோட்ஸ் என்கிட்ட எல்லாமே ப்ரூஃப் இருக்குது, என்கிட்ட நோட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஐ கேன் ரிமெம்பர் எவ்ரி திங், ஐ கேன் சே எவ்ரி திங் in the court tomorrow. So definitely Grisham is going to get the punishment. Abdin who is telling? Balwin is telling. But what John is telling is without those notes you would not remember. So on the notes ungakitta illena definitely you cannot remember. Balwin is telling what do you mean John? So Balwin is shocked at this point and he is asking what do you mean? நீ என்ன சொல்ல வர? What do you mean? John is telling as a matter of fact you'll have to rely on your notes nearly altogether, won't you? Okay, so what John is telling, what is the fact is, so fact enna appadina you have to depend on your notes for everything. Balwin is telling everybody else does the same thing. So எல்லாருமே இதுதான் பண்ணுவாங்க. Everybody else does the same thing. John is telling then it won't be far from the truth if you say I don't remember. Okay, so I don't remember அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க அப்படின்னா இது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. You can say that. Martha is telling I don't see that Mr. Grisham is asking so much of you. Okay, so மார்த்தாவும் இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா so I don't see that. நான் ஒன்றும் நினைக்கல, ரொம்ப ஒன்றும் பெரிய விஷயம்லாம் he is not asking from you. Who? Grisham. Balwin is asking Martha. Okay, Martha நீயுமா அப்படி சொல்கிற? He is asking Martha. Martha is telling Robert I am as honorable as you are. So what Martha is telling, உங்களை மாதிரி I am also very honorable. Balwin is telling that goes without saying Martha. அது நீ சொல்லாமலே எனக்கு தெரியும். I know that you are honorable. Again Martha is telling it doesn't seem right to me to send an old friend to jail. Okay, so I don't think it is right to send your old friend to jail. Robert, I have been thinking the day John was baptized means that is when the day when John Grisham was named. Okay, அவருக்கு பேர் வச்ச நாள். இந்த கிறிஸ்டியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா நேம் வைக்கிறது, என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? Something they will call us ஏதோ ஒன்று சொல்லுவாங்க, ஞானஸ்தானம் பண்ணுறது அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ லைக் தட் த டே ஜான் வாஸ் பேப்டைஸ்ட் when Mr. Grisham stood sponsor for him. Okay, so the day when we had named our son as John in the church, who sponsored us? Mr. Grisham had sponsored. How proud we were. So அன்னைக்கு நம்ம how proud we felt. And when we came home from the church, you said, do you remember what you said, Robert? Okay, so and after we came home from the church, you said, என்ன சொன்னீங்கன்னு உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Do you remember what you said, Robert? No, what was it? Balwin asking, no, I could not remember anything what I said. What was it? You said, Martha, may our son always live up to the name which we have given him. Do you remember that? Okay, so Martha is telling, you have said that may our son always live up to the name which we have given him. Okay, so you have said that our son should live for a long time through the name which we have given him. Do you remember that? Balwin is telling, yes, dimly. Okay, yes, I can remember very slightly. கொஞ்சம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. I can remember dimly. So here a thing is given for our understanding. Martha, who is Martha, Balwin's wife, feels that Balwin is betraying his dear friend Gresham and thereby causing embarrassment to John. Okay, so what Martha is feeling here is Balwin is going to betray his dear friend Gresham. Balwin என்ன நினைக்கிறாரு, ஒரு dear friend Gresham காட்டி கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. So that it will be a problem for his her son John. ஏன்னா ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் சேம் நேம் இருக்கிறதுனால it may be a problem for her son. So this is the feeling of Martha. So Balwin is telling, yes, I can remember dimly. Only dimly, governor. So John is asking, oh, கொஞ்சம் தான் உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Balwin is telling, what do you mean, John? So what do you mean? What do you want to say? What are you coming to say? Balwin is asking Martha, giving no opportunity to answer. So Martha is, at this point, Martha is not allowing John to answer. And Martha is telling, it would be sad, very sad, if the name of John Gresham, our son's name, should come to grief through you, Robert. Okay. So what Martha is telling us, definitely it will be very shame. Okay, if our son's name is if our son's name is going to be damaged through you, உங்களால நம்ம பையனோட நேம் டேமேஜ் ஆகுதுங்கிறது, it is definitely, it will not be a good thing. So Balwin is telling, Martha, are you telling me to accept the bribe money that John Gresham offered me? Okay, Balwin is asking, so it means, are you telling me to accept the bribe money offered by Gresham? So Evie is telling, why do you call it bribe money, father? Okay, so yeah, the bribe money in சொல்றீங்க. Why do you call it bribe money? Balwin is telling bitterly, why indeed? Yeah, the bribe money then. In fact, it is a bribe money. Gresham had a prettier name of it. So Gresham அதுக்கு ஒரு prettier ஒரு name வச்சிருக்காரு. For what? For the bribe money. He said that he had underpaid me all these years. So Gresham told me that he had paid me, underpaid means given low salary. Okay. So he had underpaid me all these years. You know, I was getting only $60 a week when the crash came. So when the bank crashed, that is when the bank collapse happened. Okay, I was just getting $60 per week. John is telling impatiently, yes, yes. Balwin is replying, he said 100,000 represented the difference between what he had paid me and what I had actually been worth to him. Okay, so what Balwin is telling is that $100,000, the bribe money. Okay, so 100,000 represented the difference between what he had paid me and what I had actually been worth to him. Okay, so in the $100,000 எனக்கு கொடுக்கறதுனால what he is telling us, Gresham is telling, என்ன சொல்றாரு அப்படின்னா, okay, so for these long years I have given only low salary for you, but definitely you are worth for $100,000. So don't think it as a bribe. அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு Gresham நினைக்கிறதா Balwin is replying. Okay, so Martha, that's not less than true, Robert. You have worked for him very faithfully. Yes, it is fact, because you had worked for Gresham very faithfully all these years. It is the reply of Martha. So again Balwin is telling, he said that if he had paid me what he should have, I would have put by more than 100,000 by now. Okay, so he said, who said? Gresham said, if he had paid me what he should have, I would have put by more than 100,000 by now. So அவர்கிட்ட இருக்கிற, so he's having lot of money. So if he had paid me enough salary for these many years, definitely I will have more than $100,000 by this time. So John is telling, that is so, isn't it that? Yes, really, அப்படிதான். So அப்படின்னா நீங்க you can accept this bribe money. So what John is meaning here is, Balwin என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, அவர் எனக்கு ப்ராப்பரான சேலரி கொடுத்துருந்தா இப்போ வந்து என்கிட்ட மோர் தென் $100,000 இருந்திருக்கும். ஸோ ஜான் இஸ் டெல்லிங், ஸோ அப்படின்னா அவர் உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்பரான சேலரி கொடுக்கல தான் இல்லையா. ஸோ இப்போ $100,000 அப்படிங்கிறது ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய சேலரியாக நீங்கள் நினச்சிட்டு நீங்கள் யூ கேன் அக்செப்ட் இட். நோ, ஹூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங்? ஜான். Balwin is telling, who knows, I never asked him to raise my salary. So I have never asked Gresham to raise my salary. when he raised it, it was of his own accord. Okay, so when he had a rise, எப்பெல்லாம் அவர் எனக்கு salary raise பண்ணி கொடுத்தாரோ, it is of his own interest. So I have never, of his own accord means of his own interest without any compulsion. Okay, I have never compelled him to increase my salary. So there is a pause, there is a silence, he is looking around. Well, what do you think of it, Evie? So Balvin is asking to Evie, what do you think about it? Evie is replying hesitantly. You know what is hesitantly, right? If you go on the stand tomorrow, so if you are going to the court tomorrow, Balvin, yes. So here a thing is given for her understanding. Martha also justifies Gresham's act of offering Balvin money, stating that it is a compensation for his low salary. She starts coercing Balvin to accept the bribe. Okay, so Martha is also now justifying Gresham's act of offering Balvin money. Okay, இப்போ மார்த்தாவும் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, she had also started to justifyனா என்ன, இது கரெக்ட் தான், இது ப்ராப்பர் தான் அப்படின்னு நியாயப்படுத்துறது. ஓகே, ஸோ மார்த்தா ஆல்சோ ஜஸ்டிஃபைஸ் கிரஷாம்ஸ் ஆக்ட் ஆஃப் ஆஃபரிங் பால்வின் மணி. ஸோ மார்த்தாவும் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, அவர் லோ சேலரி உங்களுக்கு பே பண்ணதுக்கான காம்பன்சேஷன் இந்த $100,000 நீங்கள் நினச்சிக்கலாம். She starts coercing Balvin to accept the bribe. Coercing means forcing someone to do something. Okay, forcing somebody to do something. That is coercing. So she is compelling Balvin to accept the bribe. Eve is telling, and they put John Gresham in jail. What will people say? Okay, so Eve is asking to her father, if they are putting John Gresham in the jail, what will people say? Balvin is asking, they will say, I have done my duty, Evie, no more and no less. Okay, என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, I have done my duty. People will say, I have done my duty, no more and no less. So அதுக்கு மேலே எதுவும் சொல்கிறதுக்குலாம் எதுவும் இல்லை. Will they? So will people say like that? Evie is asking. Balvin is telling, why? What should they say? Yes, வேறு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, what should they say? Evie, I don't think so. Of course, but other people might say that you had turned traitor to your best friend. Okay, I don't think people will say like that. Of course, people might say you have turned traitor. Traitor na a person who is not loyal to his friend. Friend காட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அவங்கள தான் traitor we will call. Okay, a person who is not loyal to his friend. Loyal. Okay. Balvin, you don't mean that, you. Okay, so don't mean like that. Balvin is telling. Evie is replying, when they find out that they have not lost any money, when John Gresham tells them that he will pay back every cent, then they won't want him to go to jail. They will feel sorry for him. Okay, what Evie is telling us, when they find out that they have not lost any money. ஓகே, ஸோ யார் அந்த டெபாசிட்டர்ஸ்லாம் அவங்களோட மணி லாஸ் ஆகலை அப்படிங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா, ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் இதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இந்த 3rd or 4th பேஜ் வாட் வி ஹாவ் சீன், Gresham is having enough money to pay back to the depositors னு பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ இஃப் த depositors are getting their money, they will not speak bad about John. Okay, when John Gresham tells that he will pay back every cent, then they won't want him to go to jail. So மணியை திருப்பி டெபாசிட்டர்ஸ்க்கு பே பண்ணிட்டா, they won't think that, people won't think that he must go to jail. Okay, Balvin is telling, yes, I believe that, I hope so. So I too hope that, எனக்கும் ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் தான், என்னது, John Gresham should not go to jail, but I will not accept the bribe money. This is the point of Balvin. And they won't feel too kindly disposed towards the man who helps out him in jail. Okay, and they won't feel too kindly. So they won't feel like, they refers to the people, and also people will not feel kind about the person who had betrayed or the person who is responsible for sending John Gresham to jail. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் அவரை ஜெயிலுக்கு அனுப்பிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னாலும் they will not feel kind about you. உங்களை பற்றி ரொம்ப பெருமையெல்லாம் நினைக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஓகே, Martha is telling, they will say you went back on old friend Robert. Okay, so what people will say is, you have turned against your old friend. So ரொம்ப நாளா thick friends இருந்துட்டு now you have turned against your friend. So this is what people will say. Who is telling this? Martha. John is telling, when you pull out your notes in court to be sure of sending him to jail, he breaks off with a snort. Okay. When you pull out your notes in court, so John is telling, so you are going to say all your notes in the court to send Gresham to the jail. அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் கோர்ட்டில் நாளைக்கு எல்லாம் சொல்லி கிரஷாமை ஜெயிலுக்கு அனுப்ப போகிறீங்களா? Eve is telling, and Mr. Gresham has not done anything really wrong. So what Eve is telling is, Gresham had not done anything. பெருசாக அவர் ஒன்றும் தப்பெல்லாம் பண்ணிடல. John is telling, it is a technicality. That is what it is. Nobody loses a cent. Nobody wants to see him punished. Okay. So, it is a technicality. It is just a small detail. That's what it is. Nobody loses a cent. So, no depositors are going to lose anything. So nobody wants to see him punished. Except you, father. Eve is telling, உங்களை தவிர வேறு யாருமே ஜான் கிரஷாம் வந்து பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கிடைக்கணும், அவர் he must go to jail அப்படின்னு நினைக்கல. only you are thinking him to send him to jail. John is telling, yes, and you were willing to jail the man after whom you named your son. So what John is telling is, so யாரோட நேம் உங்க சன்னுக்கு வச்சீங்களோ அவங்கள நீங்க ஜெயிலுக்கு அனுப்பணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க. Martha is telling, I believe in being merciful, Robert. So Martha is also telling to her husband, so show some merciness towards your friend Balvin. Merciful. Martha is telling, Mr. Gresham has always been very good to you. So Mr. Gresham உங்ககிட்ட எப்பவுமே ரொம்ப குட்டா தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. So he is always very good to you. There is another pause. So there is another silence. Curiously enough, they do not seem to be able to meet each other's eye. See here. அங்கே ஸோ கான்வர்சேஷன் வாஸ் கோயிங் ஆன் பிட்வீன் 4 person, that is within their family இல்லையா. ஸோ நோபடி இஸ் ரெடி டு see anybody's eyes. ஸோ நம்ம எப்போவுமே ஒரு உண்மையை பேசுகிறோன்னா we can see our opponent's eye. ஓகே, அப்போதுவே நம்ம பேசுகிற விஷயம் if it is wrong, eye to eye நம்மளால் பார்த்து பேச முடியாது. there will be a guiltiness. face is the index of the mindங்கிற மாதிரி அது என்ன பண்ணிடும், அது வந்து காட்டி கொடுத்துரும் இல்லையா. ஸோ nobody is looking at anybody's eyes. How well, what are you going to do now, Robert? So Martha is asking, what are you going to do? What is your plan? What are you going to do? Balvin, what do you mean? So what do you mean, Martha? Balvin is asking. Martha is telling, you have been out of work since the bank closed. So in the bank close ஆனதுலேருந்து you are out of work. நீங்கள் வேலை இல்லாமல் இருக்கீங்க. You are not having any job. Balvin is shrugging his shoulders. Shrugging அப்படின்னா by shaking his shoulders. Balvin is telling, shrugging means shaking. Okay, by shaking the shoulders, Balvin is replying, oh, I will find a position. So definitely I can find a job for me. I will find a position. So here a thing is given for understanding. So John accuses Balvin of betraying his dear friend Gresham. So John வந்து he is accusing his father for betraying na காட்டி கொடுக்கிறது. Okay, of betraying his dear friend Gresham. He adds that Balvin will not get an employment anywhere as he will be considered a traitor. And also என்ன சொல்றான் ஜான் அப்படின்னா, hereafter Balvin cannot get any employment anywhere. எங்கேயுமே வேலை கிடைக்காது because he was considered as a traitor. So what is traitor? A person who is not loyal to his friend. He is called as traitor. So ஃப்ரெண்டையே காட்டி கொடுத்ததுனால definitely you will not get job anywhere அப்படின்னு யார் நினைக்கிறாங்க? John is thinking. Balvin's son. Okay. Martha is shaking her head and she is telling, at your age, so உங்கள் ஏஜில் உங்கள் வயசில் உங்களுக்கு வேலை கிடைக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் இருக்கா? Balvin, it's the man that counts. Okay, age is not the matter. It is the man that counts. It depends upon the person who is working. So age is not the matter. So definitely I can find a job. Balvin is telling. Martha, Yes, you said that a month ago. இதே மாதிரி தான் 1 month முன்னாடியும் சொன்னீங்க. But till now you have not gone for any job. Who is telling? Martha. John, I heard from Donovan. So who is Donovan? Donovan is the cashier of the bank, right? So I heard from Donovan. So Donovan எனக்கு கால் பண்ணியிருந்தாரு. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னா, பால்வின், what did you hear? என்ன கேட்ட? He has he has gone with the Third National Bank, you know. So he had got a job in the Third National Bank. Balvin, yes, he is helping with the reorganization. Okay, so he is taking care of the reorganization work in the Third National Bank. So actually Donovan also worked as a cashier in Gresham's bank, but after the bank crash he had got a job in the Third National Bank. John, so now John is telling, they would not take you on there. So உங்களுக்குலாம் அங்கே வந்து they will not give any job for you there. Balvin, their staff was full. Yes, everybody is full. They could not very well offer me a position as a clerk. So they cannot even offer me a position as a clerk because they are not in need of a staff. அவங்களுக்கு அங்கே எந்த ஸ்டாஃபும் தேவைப்படலை. So they cannot offer me any job. That was what they told you. John is telling, that was what they told you. So உங்ககிட்ட அவங்க அப்படி தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. Because Mr. Marshall said he would not employ a man who was just as guilty as John Grisham. உங்ககிட்ட மேபி அவங்க அப்படி சொல்லியிருக்கலாம். That's what they told you. But Mr. Marshall said he would not employ a man who was just as guilty as John Grisham. So John Grisham கூட இருந்து அவருக்கு ஈக்குவலாக தப்பு பண்ண ஒருத்தருக்கு ஜாப்லாம் கொடுக்க முடியாதுன்னு மிஸ்டர் மார்ஷல் சொன்னார். Who is telling? John. Balvin is replying, but I am not. But நான் இந்த தப்பும் பண்ணல. I am not. Who knows it? John is telling, who knows it that you have not done anything? Balvin is telling, everybody will tomorrow. So everybody comes to know everything in the court tomorrow. நாளைக்கு எல்லாமே கோர்ட்டில் தெரிஞ்சிடும். Jan is telling, will they believe you or will they think you are trying to save your own skin? Okay, whether they will believe you or will they think you are trying to save your own skin? So நீங்கள் உங்களை சேவ் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக பொய் சொல்கிறீங்கன்னு நினைப்பாங்களா இல்லை whether they will believe you? Jan is asking. Balvin is telling, I found out only a day before the smash. So I came to know that everything only a day before the bank crash. John, who will believe that? So who is going to believe that? உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நாள் முன்னாடி தான் தெரியும் அப்படிங்கிறது. Who is going to believe that? They will have to. So they will have to believe it tomorrow. Who is telling? Balvin. So they will have to believe it everything in the court tomorrow. So John is asking, how will you make them? So how will you make them to believe? I am afraid you will find that against you wherever you go, Governor. Your testifying against John Grisham won't make things any better. If you ever get another job, it will be with him. Okay. How will you make them? I am afraid you will find that against you wherever you go, Governor. So எங்க போனீங்கனாலும் you will not get any job. You will not get any better opportunity. Your testifying against John Grisham won't make things any better. So if you are testifying against John Grisham won't make things any better. Okay, so testifying means giving witness. Okay, giving evidence as a witness in the court. If you ever get another job, it will be with him. So உங்களுக்கு வேற வேலை கிடைக்குதுன்னா definitely it will be along with John Grisham. That this is a startling idea to Balvin, who shows his surprise. If Grisham doesn't go to jail, he will start in business again, won't he? And he can't offer you anything less than a partnership. Okay, so if Grisham is not going to jail, he will start a business again. So definitely he will start a business again, and he can't offer you anything less than a partnerships. And suppose if Grisham is starting a new business again, definitely he will offer you a partnership. Balvin is asking, a partnership? John, with the 100, so எதை மீன் பண்ணி பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் கொடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு ஜான் சொல்கிறான்னா அந்த $100,000 இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ வித் த 100,000 கேபிட்டல், ஸோ வித் த $100,000 as a capital money you could put in the business, dad. So with that money you can join in a partnership with Gresham. Baldwin is telling John looks appealingly from one face to another. They are averted then. Averted means turning away. Okay, so you want me to take this money, so it means you want me to accept the money. Say yes, one of you. So as Baldwin is asking, do you want me to accept the money? No one is answering. So John is telling, so Baldwin is asking, you want me to take this money? Nobody is answering. So என்ன கேட்குறாருன்னா, say yes, one of you. ஒருத்தராவது yes சொல்லுங்க. Still no answer. Nobody is answering. Or at least say no. இல்லை no ஆவது சொல்லுங்க. I could not go into partnership with Gresham. So definitely I will not join in partnership with Gresham. Martha is asking, why not? So Martha is asking, why not? Why can't you join in a partnership with Gresham? Baldwin is telling, people would not trust him. So இனிமே people வந்து யாரை believe பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. They will not trust John Gresham. They could go into business. John is telling, then you could go into business with someone else. Dad, 100,000 is a lot of money. So if you are not interested in going in business with Gresham, you can join in business with somebody else. Where you are kudayavdo, Dad, 100,000 is a lot of money, and $100,000 வாங்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா you can join in business with somebody else, or at least, because $100,000 is a lot of money. Who is telling? John. Baldwin walks to the window, looks out. So Baldwin is angry and he is walking to the window. He is looking out. God knows I never thought this day would come. Okay, so I never expected such a day in my family. I know no matter how you try to excuse it. So what Baldwin is telling is, everybody is telling some reason to accept the money. I know that if I take this money, I do a dishonorable thing. The money I accept பண்ணிட்டேனா, I am doing a dishonorable thing, and you know it. Everybody knows that. You and you and you, all of you. Okay, so he is pointing all the three, that is Martha, Martha, John and Evie. Come, admit it. So accept, everybody, that I am doing a dishonorable thing if I am accepting the bribe money. So John is telling, nobody will ever hear of it. Okay, so John resolutely means telling with a strong determination. Okay, ஒரு பெரிய determinationோட சொல்றது. Nobody will ever hear of it. யாருக்குமே நீங்க மணி வாங்குறது தெரியாது. Nobody will hear of it. Baldwin is telling, but amongst ourselves, John. But நமக்கு தெரியுமே, நம்ம family membersக்கு தெரியுமே. Whatever we are to the world, let us be honest with each other, the four of us. Okay, so let us be honest with each other. நம்ம நாலு பேரும் எப்பவுமே honest இருக்கலாம். Baldwin is telling, well, his glance travels from John to Evie, whose head is bowed. அப்படியே சொல்லிட்டு ஒவ்வொருத்தரையா பார்க்குறாரு. He is looking John, then Evie, whose head is bowed. அவங்களாம் அதை அக்செப்ட் பண்ண ரெடியா இல்லை. ஸோ அவங்களாம் தலையை குனிஞ்சு நின்றுட்டு இருக்காங்க. From her to his wife, then from Evie to his wife, who is apparently busy with her knitting. Knitting na, doing some thread work. Okay, so she is doing her knitting. He raises Martha's head. So Martha oda head raise panni looks into her eyes. He shudders. Shudders means he shivers. He is shivering with angry. He shames. So it is the act of shame. Liars. So he is calling everybody as liars. Laina poi சொல்றவங்க. Okay, hypocrites, cheats, thieves, and I know better than any of you. We have seen our souls naked, and they sting to Almighty Heaven. Well, why don't you answer me? Okay, so I know that definitely you all know this is a dishonorable thing. எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் it is a dishonorable thing, even though every one of you are asking me to accept the money. So for a box is given for understanding. Baldwin grows ashamed of the greed of his family. So Baldwin is feeling ashamed. Greed na என்ன சொல்றது, ரொம்ப பேராசை. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மணிக்காக அவங்களோட ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவரை டிஸ்ஹானஸ்டாக பிஹேவ் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்கன்னு வெரி ashamed. Balvin is feeling very much ashamed. John has the courage to look at him straight in the eye. He compels Balvin to accept the money offered by Gresham. So John is not ready to accept anything except accepting the money. Okay, he wants his father to accept the bribe offered by Gresham. Martha is telling, it's not wrong, Robert. So அது ஒன்றும் தப்பில்லை Robert. Martha is telling. Balvin is telling, it's not right. It is not correct. Jan is telling, 100,000 is a lot of money, Dad. Okay, 100,000 it is a big money. Balvin is telling, you can look into my eyes now, my son, can't you? Okay. Okay, sorry. So Balvin is telling, you can look into my eyes now, my son, can't you? So Balvin is asking John, can you look straight into my eyes? John is telling without moving, Dad, why did you refuse? Wasn't it because you were afraid of what we would say? Okay, so why did you refuse, Dad? Why are you refusing to accept the money? Wasn't it because you were afraid of what we would say? நாங்கள் ஏதாவது சொல்லுவோம் நீங்கள் நினச்சிக்கிறீங்களா? John is asking. Balvin after a long pause, yes John, well, nobody will ever know it. Nobody will know that you have accepted the money. So please accept the money. John is telling. Balvin, except the four of us. But நம்ம 4 பேருக்கும் தெரியுமே. Who is telling? Balvin. But we know that I have accepted the money and I am dishonorable. John, yes father. Abruptly they separate. Eve weeps in silence. So Eve is weeping. Okay, so she is weeping that her father should accept the money. Martha, being less emotional, blows her nose noisily and fumbles with her knitting. Okay, so blows her nose noisily in a வேகமா பெருமூச்சு விடுறது. Okay, John scowls out of the window. So John is almost very angry, and scowls means feeling giving an angry expression. Okay, and Balvin near the fireplace. So he is standing near the fireplace, clenches and unclenches his hands. அவரோட ஹேண்டை fold பண்ணி open பண்ணுறது. That is clenching and unclenching. So someone is coming. So at this point, somebody is coming. So let us understand. Balvin feels ashamed of himself. So Balvin is feeling ashamed of himself. Mr. Marshall, the president of the Third National, another bank, comes to his house to convey an important news. Okay, so now Mr. Marshall, the president of the Third National Bank, he is coming to convey an important news. Okay, he is coming to say some important news. See, so someone is coming. Martha raising her head, she is asking, who is it? John, I can't see with sudden apprehension. So I cannot identify him. Who is telling? John, it looks like Mr. Marshall. So it is looking like Mr. Marshall. Balvin is telling, Mr. Marshall. The doorbell rings. He goes to a window commanding a view of the doorway. It is Mr. Marshall. So he is going to the door and he is looking through the door and he is confirming that it is Marshall. Balvin is telling, yes, it is Marshall. Martha, the president of the Third National Bank. Balvin, yes. What does he want here? Yes, அவர் எதுக்காக இங்க வராரு? Evie is telling, shall I show him in father? So shall I ask him to get inside? Balvin is telling, yes, yes, by all means, yes, ask him to get inside. So Evie goes out to open the door and get him inside. So here, Mr. Marshall informs Balvin that Gresham had admitted his guilt. So why Mr. Marshall is coming is to inform Balvin that Gresham had admitted his guilt. Gresham அவரோட தப்பா ஒத்துக்கிட்டாரு, as he knew that Balvin, being an honest and upright man, would never give false testimony. Okay, so Gresham அவரோட mistake accept பண்ணிக்கிட்டாரு because Balvin ஒரு honest man, அதனால எப்பவுமே ஒரு false evidence கொடுக்க மாட்டாரு அப்படிங்கிறதுனால he had accepted his mistake. Who is telling? Mr. Marshall. இதை சொல்றதுக்காக he is coming to Balvin's home. Martha crossing to him quickly, Robert, be careful what you say. You are to go on the stand tomorrow. So அவர்கிட்ட என்ன பேச போறீங்கிறது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா பேசுங்க because you are going to the court tomorrow. Balvin is nervously telling, yes, yes, I will look out. Okay, I will take care. Evie re-enters after opening the door for Mr. Marshall. Marshall coming into the room very buoyantly. Buoyantly means cheerfully, very happily he is getting inside. Well, spending the afternoon indoors. So afternoon எல்லாரும் வீட்ல தான் இருக்கீங்களா? How are you, Mrs. Balvin? So he is asking to Martha, how are you? He shakes hand cordially. And you, Balvin? Balvin, நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? He is asking. Martha is telling, we were just going out. Come, Evie. Okay, நீங்க பேசிட்டு இருங்க. We are going outside. நாங்கள் வெளியில் போகிறதுக்காக கிளம்பிட்டு இருந்தோம். Like that, Martha is telling to Mr. Marshall. Marshall is replying, how? You need not go on my account. நான் வந்திருக்கேங்கிறதுக்காக நீங்கள் வெளியில் போக வேண்டாம். You can hear what I have to say. நான் என்ன சொல்ல போகிறேங்கிறத you have to hear. நீங்களும் கேட்கணும். He turns to the head of the family. Who is the head of the family? Balvin. Balvin, if you feel like coming around to the third national sometimes this week, you will find a position waiting for you. Okay, so what Balvin is Marshall is telling is, he is telling one of the happiest news. நீ எப்பயோ தேர்ட் நேஷனல் பேங்க் இந்த வீக்கில் வரணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன்னா நீ வரலாம் because a position, a job is waiting for you. Balvin is thunderstruck. Thunderstruck means surprised, shocked. Do you mean that, Marshall? So do you mean to offer me a job? He is asking to Marshall. Marshall is smiling and telling, I would not say it if I did not. Okay, நான் கண்டிப்பாக உனக்கு ஒரு ஜாப் ஆஃபர் பண்ணலைன்னா அதை நான் சொல்கிறதுக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்க மாட்டேன். He continues more seriously. So seriously he is telling, I was in to see Gresham this afternoon. So I went to see Mr. Gresham today afternoon and he told me about the offer he had made you. So Gresham told me, he refers to Gresham, told me about the offer. Offer refers to the bribe money. He had made you. You refers to Balvin. So he had told about the bribe he had offered for you. But he knew that no amount of money would make you do something you thought wrong. Okay. But அவருக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு எவ்வளோ மணி கொடுத்தாலும் நீ கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு பேட் திங் செய்ய மாட்டேங்கிறது. Balvin, he paid you the supreme compliment. Rather than go to trial with you to testify against him, he confessed. So அதை விட ஒரு பெட்டர் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் அவர் உனக்கு பே பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஓகே, ஸோ நாளைக்கு கோர்ட்டுக்கு போய் அவருக்கு அகைன்ஸ்டாக எவிடன்ஸ் சொல்கிறத விட ஒரு பெட்டர் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் he had paid you. Balvin, he confessed against him. He confessed means he had accepted his mistake. ஓகே, அவரோட மிஸ்டேக் அவரே அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாரு. ஸோ நீ நாளைக்கு கோர்ட்டுக்கு போய் அவருக்கு எகெயின்ஸ்டாக there is no need to give evidence. Balvin is sinking into a chair. அப்படியே ஒரு சேரில் உட்காந்துடுறாரு ஷாக் ஆகி. He is telling, confessed what? He had accepted his mistake. Balvin is asking. Marshall is telling, told the whole story. He turns to Martha. Okay, so he had told the whole story. Marshall is explaining everything he had conversed with Gresham. I can only say to you what every man will be saying tomorrow. How highly I honor and respect your husband. How sincerely. So Marshall is telling, I honor your husband very highly. உங்கள் ஹஸ்பண்ட் மேலே எனக்கு ஒரு பெரிய மரியாதை இருக்குது, பெரிய ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்குது. How sincere he is. ரொம்ப sincere your husband. Who is telling? Marshall is telling to Martha. So let us understand better. So Mr. Marshall offers Baldwin a job at his bank, the Third International Bank, thus rewarding him for his uprightness. Uprightness means his honest and truthfulness. அவரோட ஹானஸ்டிக்கும் அவரோட ட்ரூத்ஃபுல்னஸ்க்கும் மிஸ்டர் மார்ஷல் அவராக வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, he is offering a job for Mr. Baldwin in his Third National Bank. Okay. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக இவங்க எல்லாருமே பிரைப் மணி அக்செப்ட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. பட் பால்வின் இஸ் ரெஃப்யூசிங் டு அக்செப்ட் த பிரைப் மணி பிகாஸ் ஹி வாஸ் அன் ஹானஸ்ட் மேன். ஓகே, அப்படி ஹானஸ்ட்டாக இருந்ததுனால தான் மார்ஷல் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, ஹீ இஸ் கம்மிங் டு ஆஃபர் எ ஜாப் ஃபார் ஹிம் இன் த. ஸோ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நாள் மார்ஷல் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காரு, கிரஷாமை மீட் பண்ணும்போது கிரஷாம் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, நான் அவருக்கு பிரைப் கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொன்னேன், பட் இருந்தாலும் அவர் கண்டிப்பாக ஹானஸ்ட்டாக தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணுவாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும், அதனால் என்னோட மிஸ்டேக்கை நானே நாளைக்கு கோர்ட்டில் போய் நான் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்க போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. ஓகே, ஸோ அவ்வளோ ஹானஸ்ட், ஹூ இஸ் ஹானஸ்ட், மிஸ்டர் பால்வின். ஸோ மிஸ்டர் பால்வின் இவ்வளோ ஹானஸ்டா அப்படின்னு மிஸ்டர் மார்ஷலுக்கு கிரஷாம் கிட்ட போய் பேசினதுக்கப்புறம் தான் தெரியுது. அதனால ஹீ இஸ் கம்மிங் டு ஹிஸ் ஹவுஸ், ஹூஸ் ஹவுஸ், பால்வின்ஸ் ஹவுஸ்க்கு அவரே வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, he is offering him a job in the Third National Bank. So எப்படி அவருக்கு அந்த ஜாப் கிடைச்சதுன்னா, it is for his uprightness, that is it is for his truthfulness and his honest. Okay, Martha seizing his hand piteously, please please, can't you see his crying? Okay, so slowly the curtain falls. Okay, so can't you see he is crying? So என்ன சொல்றது, Baldwin is very emotional at this point. Okay, so at this play the play ends with this, the curtain falls. So what we have to understand from this prose is, honest will always have its own reward. நேர்மை அப்படிங்கிறது எப்போவுமே அதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய price will be waiting. So we have to be always honest in all the situation. That is what we have to understand from this supplementary. Thank you for watching. Thank you.